ViewSonic X11080p Projector Review, Pros and Cons. Pros. ViewSonic is a USA-based company. It comes with a long 3-year warranty. Great color and bright picture. Overall, awesome performance, picture and sound. LED projectors are good over other projectors. It looks stylish. Quiet operation. Good value for the money. Cons. Some users experienced noticeable rainbow effect. Picture quality may degrade if you turn off HDR. Some users mentioned that there are no apps. It cannot be switched off via Google Assistance, only switch on. That's it, please like and subscribe.